Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic com.motorola.launcher 3. Let's start with the first question. What is com.motorola launcher 3? com.android.launcher 3 is the default service name for the launcher service on Android phones. However, Android is an open source platform so that vendors can modify features of the stock applications and services. If you are using a Motorola device, then your launcher service will be named as com.motorola.launcher3 by default. Though, if you hate your launcher service, you can use a custom launcher and even permanently uninstall the Launcher 3 application. Features: a stock launcher, probably the only feature of the launcher to boost. The characteristics of Launcher 3 being a stock launcher differentiates it from others. This is because it is clean and uncomplicated in use. By clean, I mean free of advertisements which you receive in MIUI launcher. Next is simple application drawer. Launcher 3 comes with the simple application drawer. A menu button is present on the desktop used to access the drawer containing all the applications. At the top of the drawer, recite the recent applications you used. Furthermore, multiple applications can be merged and stored in a folder. Next is battery efficient. It is worthless telling that it will be a battery efficient for you Motorola device. The com.motorola.launcher 3 application will always excel with other custom launchers when compared in terms of power saving. Plain look and feel. Launcher 3 comes with plain look with no additional features like night mode, app hiding, etc. Moreover, the launcher has very dull and unimpressive widgets, so it is not the perfect launcher for you. Why does Launcher 3 crash? You might have also come across the error message com.motorola.launcher 3 that has stopped working. Well, after going through many posts and forums online, I have come to the conclusion that Launcher 3 application is prone to frequent crashes, especially on the Motorola smartphones. Getting rid of the default launcher. Though the com.motorola.launcher 3 is the default launcher, it is not quite good. So if you also have default launcher, then you can easily disable Launcher 3. In my case, I would like to play with different custom ROMs. So I regularly switch to custom launchers on my device. Some cool custom launchers for device. After discussing how to get rid of launcher, I am bound to discuss some of the best available alternatives to Launcher 3. I have provided brief information about 3 of my best launchers. All 3 are good to go for budget devices as well. First one is Poco Launcher 2.0. Second, Launcher 2. Third, Microsoft Launcher. Last but not the least, conclusion. With that, I would like to conclude that I have discussed every possible aspect of com.motorola.launcher 3. Now you must have got an idea about this service being listed in your activity log. Also that this service is not malware. It is just the default launcher that comes inbuilt with your Android device. Even if your default launcher is causing you troubles by crashing frequently, you can very easily switch to the custom launchers. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.